Welcome to Cybercrime Magazine's Mastering Cyber podcast. I'm your host, Dr. J, former White House technology executive and Deputy Chief Security Officer at Mastercard. Mastering Cyber is a weekly 1-minute podcast to help you maneuver the cybersecurity tips, terms, and topics. So buckle up. Your 60 seconds of cyber starts now. It's summertime and the kids are out of school, which means the end of homework, or does it? The next time you or your kids consider downloading a new app or game, you need to do your homework and make sure that the app you're about to install is genuine and safe. So first, I want you to read the reviews. Look to see if people are complaining about issues like lagging or the app not opening properly. If so, it could be a sign of malicious activity. Second, look at the source. This includes not only where you're downloading it from, but who the developer is. If the developer hasn't released updates or addressed user complaints, they may not be reputable. So remember, do your homework before downloading new apps. And if you do this, you'll be one step closer to mastering cyber. That's it for today. This is Dr. J signing off and reminding you to stay secure. We'll be back next week to share more cybersecurity tips, terms, and topics. This Cybercrime Magazine podcast is sponsored by Mastercard.